Welcome, everybody, to another episode of the 2 Minute Drill with yours truly. No risk and no premium. Guys, what is up and what is happening? Well, did you watch the 2 Minute Drill last night, FOMC Minutes Edition? I mean, it told you exactly what was going to come today. We said what? There'll be a move in the morning prior, and we had the move down. Although it was very choppy, it's a 15-minute chart. It was very choppy in the morning, but we did get to move down to where? Major support, overnight support, bing, bada, bang, bada, boom, right down there, triple bottom. And then we went what? Right back on up here, and we had our move. So let me just zoom in a tad here so you guys can see, right? We had the initial move up, then we came down, then we went up, right? We talked about it last night on the 2 Minute Drill. We literally laid it out. So we said all you need to do is buy support. I mean, support was what? 380, really. Anywhere from 379 to 380. If you bought that, we bought our way down here and we went down there twice. You could have bought that. All of the FOMC events are typically a buy the dip event. And we went over that last night. Okay. So anyway, you guys know me. I don't trade the morning action. I don't care about the morning action. I just care about what happens, right? When the news comes out. And then we went Ripper Magoo, how are you? But bulls are in a little bit of a predicament here. And I'm going to tell you why. Let's zoom out for a sec, the 15-minute chart. Can we see this 384 level is very massive? Yes. Let's go to a 4-hour chart real quick here. How massive is it? I mean, it is massive enough for us to see right here that it does not want to get through it, right? It doesn't want to get through it. We've poked our head all the way up to 386 and then brought our ass back down another 2 points. So what does that mean? Well, that means this. If we don't get through that shit tomorrow, if we don't get through it tonight in the overnight action, which right now we are up 4 points right now, but that does not mean that we are through it. But if we do not get through that tonight or fucking in the first 30 minutes tomorrow morning, bulls are in trouble. And why are bulls in trouble? That means that is the 5th or 6th test of that area. And if there's a reject happens, we likely come down and test where? 374. Okay. So if you're a bull, you need to get through. If you're not, you're probably going to be sitting pretty if we don't get through. So very simple stuff tomorrow, guys. As long as we're through 384, okay, we try 386, which was the high of today, okay? Then we try 390, 393 or 392-ish area. 396 is above right here, which is the gap to fill up that every single bull and their mom is looking at, which would take us to 401. Okay, enough with the upside numbers because I don't think it's going to happen, but it might. It might. Okay, it might. And if it doesn't, we go 380. Okay, I'll call it 378, 374, 372. Okay, then we got, let's zoom out so you guys can see everything. If 384 fails, we have 374, 372, 370, 365. Okay. 362, which was a low we bounced off of. And if 362 breaks, we're definitely going to go down and see 358, 355, then 350. Now, I have no idea what happens tomorrow, but one thing we are continuing to do is what? Fill out this nice bear flag. It's a little bit of a bigger one, and it's a very nice range. If you guys think about SPY right now, 372 to 382, that's a 10-point range. That is a trader's paradise. All right. So just think about that for a second. You're in a range and you could take puts off resistance and calls off support. It's a pretty badass get up, if I have to say so myself. So you guys got the levels. All right. Tomorrow is the same action. We need to see where we open tomorrow post FOMC minutes. Now, the FOMC meeting, which was not today, okay, but in past, we have sold off. Do we get that tomorrow? I have no idea. That has not been a past norm of the FOMC minutes. So let's see. I have no idea what happens. Guys, you got the levels. Get your homework done. Get your levels up. I'll see you in the pre-market. Peace.